Looking to manage your email notifications for receiving direct messages, DMs on X, Twitter, using your PC? Here's a guide on how to disable these notifications. To begin, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu where you can access various account options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu to navigate to your account settings. Within the settings, locate and click on Email Notifications. Under the Activity Related to You in Your Tweets section, find the option labeled You're Sent a Direct Message and uncheck the box next to it. After unchecking the box, be sure to click on Save Changes to apply the updated notification settings to your account. By following these steps, you can easily disable email notifications for receiving direct messages on Twitter through your PC. Take control of your notification preferences and tailor your Twitter experience to suit your needs.